Think it's too late to get stronger, feel healthier, or boost your energy after 50? Think again. In this video, I'll show you the ultimate weekly workout plan designed specifically for people over 50 to improve strength, mobility, and fitness. Let's get started. Whether you've been active all your life or you're just starting out, exercise is one of the best ways to stay strong, independent, and healthy as you age. The right weekly workout plan can help you improve your strength, boost your energy, and even add years to your life. This plan includes everything you need: strength training, cardio, walking, and mobility exercises designed to maximize results and fit into your schedule. Don't worry, this plan isn't about overworking your body or pushing yourself to extremes. It's about working smarter, not harder, and focusing on exercises that provide the most benefits for your health and fitness. The best part? You can adapt this plan to match your fitness level, so whether you're a beginner or have experience, it works for you. Let's break it down. First up, we have resistance training. If there's one thing you should include in your weekly workout routine, this is it. Resistance training is all about building and maintaining muscle, and it's one of the most effective ways to improve your strength, metabolism, and overall health as you age. The good news? It's never too late to start. Research shows that even people in their 80s and 90s can build muscle and strength from resistance training. The key is starting at your own pace and gradually increasing the intensity. Here's how to structure your sessions. Choose 5 to 8 exercises that target all the major muscle groups: legs, back, chest, shoulders, and arms. Perform 3 sets of each exercise, working until your muscles feel fatigued but not fully exhausted. This means you stop when you feel that working ache, not complete failure. Stick to 10 to 30 reps per set, depending on the weight you're using. If you can easily do more than 30 reps, increase the weight to make it challenging. Not sure where to start? Here are some excellent exercises for resistance training: goblet squats to strengthen your legs and glutes, Romanian deadlifts for your hamstrings and lower back, dumbbell rows to target your back and biceps, shoulder presses to work your shoulders and triceps, and don't forget core exercises like planks to improve stability and balance. Aim for 3 resistance training sessions per week, with at least 1 rest day in between. This balance gives your muscles time to recover and grow while keeping your routine consistent. Next, let's talk cardio. Cardio exercises keep your heart, lungs, and metabolism in great shape. They're also fantastic for burning calories and maintaining a healthy weight. But here's the thing: cardio doesn't have to be boring or extreme. You don't need to run marathons or spend hours on a treadmill to get the benefits. Cardio can be as simple as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. If you enjoy sports, try tennis, badminton, or even dancing. The goal is to elevate your heart rate enough so that talking becomes slightly challenging. That's when you know you're in the cardio zone. Try to include 2 cardio sessions per week, each lasting 20 to 60 minutes. For beginners, start with shorter sessions and work your way up. And remember, the best cardio is the one you enjoy because you'll stick with it. Walking is one of the easiest and most effective forms of exercise, and it's perfect for people over 50. It improves your cardiovascular health, helps maintain a healthy weight, and keeps your joints mobile without putting stress on your body. Plus, it's a great way to clear your mind and boost your mood. For the best results, mix up your walking routine. Go for longer, slower walks on some days to build endurance. On other days, try shorter, brisker walks or add uphill routes for an extra challenge. Aim for daily walks. If that sounds like a lot, start with 2 long walks and 5 shorter ones throughout the week. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Finally, let's talk about mobility. As we age, it's normal for joints to feel stiff or for our range of motion to decrease. Mobility exercises help counteract that, keeping your joints flexible and improving your posture and balance. And the best part? You only need 10 minutes a day to see results. Focus on the areas where you feel the most stiffness or tension. For example, try Asian squats to improve hip and ankle mobility. Use cat-cow stretches to loosen up your spine. Practice sleeper stretches for your shoulders. Grab a foam roller to release tension in your back and improve thoracic extension. Consistency is key here. By practicing mobility exercises every day, you'll move more freely, recover faster, and reduce the risk of injury. Here's how to structure your week. Monday, resistance training, long walk, and 10 minutes of mobility. Tuesday, cardio session, 20 to 60 minutes, short walk, and mobility. Wednesday, resistance training, short walk, and mobility. Thursday, long walk and mobility. Friday, resistance training, short walk, and mobility. Saturday, cardio session, 20 to 60 minutes, short walk, and mobility. Sunday, rest day with an optional short walk. This routine gives you a perfect balance of strength, cardio, flexibility, and recovery. Adjust the plan to fit your schedule and fitness level. It's all about consistency and finding what works for you. Remember, it's never too late to start. Listen to your body. Start slow if you're new to exercise and focus on progress, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to stay active and strong. Let me know in the comments which part of the plan you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.